Hey guys, I just received these kid sandals from Dream Pairs today. So let's unbox them and find out how they are. First impressions after opening them, I can see how good the color combination is. After feeling the stitching and stuff, which is actually pretty good, I can see the quality is really nice and the shoes are also pretty comfortable. As you can see over here, the laces and the Velcro are also pretty strong. So let's put them on and try them. As you can see over here, I feel that they're pretty comfortable. Putting them on, trying them. So yeah, pretty good shoes.